Hey guys, what you guys doing? Welcome back to Kemari reaction for another reaction video. So I'm back again with another reaction video to the group Rampage from the Exile Tribe, and this is a music video to the song Heatwave. So I'm curious to see what these guys will be giving to me. I live for the Exile Tribe, I live for the Rampage, I live for the Generation, I live for the Ballistics, I live for the Fantastic Boys, I live for Exile Second, I live for the J Soul Brothers, I live for the Tribe. I love it. So let's see what these guys will be giving us. So hopefully YouTube won't block this one, please YouTube, because I can't. Yeah. I just want to see Mane and Rico. Okay, giving us. Okay. They getting spicy this year. Ooh, Rico. Okay.
Your beautiful eyes.
I can't. That looks so good. Come on, guys. I love that transition.
Yeah, 確かめ合う後汗ばん溶けてく weekend Tap it to the deep end 束の間の love 心惑わさまりすぎ warning Damn it falling 時を止めて Yeah, shake your body keep it moving 縦の日遊びでも構わないよかけるまで Heatwave の夢
Okay. Okay, come on, girl. Hey, yeah.
You make it hot. Give me a shot.
Come on, hey. Oh, I love his. I like his red hair. Oh my God. We love you. Give it to me, Rampage. Give it to me. Okay, I'm loving this new project. I'm loving this new project that we're receiving from the group Rampage. I'm liking this project. I love the fact that it feels like they're adding a new a different genre of different style genre of music within their songs and music videos. I really do like that. I really do like that. I like this new project. Oh yes. Oh yes. I need to see if they have their CD out. Yeah, if they have the CD out, I'm gonna buy me the physical copy. Yes, I'm gonna buy my physical copy, but I love this new. I can't wait for the coronavirus is over, and if they ever do come close to my area, state or a closer state in my area, and they have a concert. And after the coronavirus, I would definitely go to their concert because I would love to see them perform live. Love it. Once again, I love to see some Rico. Every time they do the Rampage IG live, I run there so much just to see him. That man is so attractive. For everybody else, I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys for keeping me up to par. The Rampage fans out there, you guys are not playing. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and get to it as soon as possible. It's always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.